Hello, Fink Fabbers. Saint Scooter here. On this evening of Christmas that some of us fear, I figured I would share my own version of "Twas the Night Before Christmas" with care with all of you good little boys and girls and fabricators. So here we go. 'Twas the night before Christmas in Fink's Fab Shop. Not a grinder was spinning, not even a chop. The helmets were hung by the weld booth with care, in the hopes a Saint Fabricator would soon be there. The hot rods sat nestled, all snug in their bays, while visions of burnout marks danced in their frames. With scooter and flannel and grease on his hands, he had just shut down lights on a half-finished plan. When out on the lot rose such a clatter, I sprang from my office to see what was the matter. Away to the door, I flew like a flash. I slipped on some oil and, busted my ass. The moon on the hood of a primer gray sled gave luster of chromes to the parts pile ahead. When what to my wondering eyes did appear but a chopped up old sleigh and 8 engines in gear, with a wild-eyed old driver so gritty and quick, I knew in a moment it must be St. Nick. More rapid than rat rods, his reindeer they came, and he whistled and shouted, and he called them by name. Now flathead, now Hemi, now small block and boost, on big tire, on slicks, on carb and on juice. To the top of the lift, to the top of the wall. Now hammer away, hammer it all. As sparks it flew out when the MIG welders bite. So up in the rafters they roared through the night. And then in a twinkling I heard on the roof the clang and the bang of a steel-toed boot. As I turned around, wiping grease from my face, down the shop door rolled Santa covered in scale, weld, spatter, and lace. He was dressed all in leather from his head to his boot, and his beard smelled like gas, hot steel and brute. A sack full of parts he had flung on his back, headers and pistons and tools in his pack. His eyes how they squinted, his grin how it grew, like a man who's just fired a motor brand new. He spoke not a word, but he went straight to his work, tightened bolts and checked wells the guy didn't jerk. He nodded once, proud at the shop's messy state. Then he scratched nice beads in a rusty old crate. He sprang to his sleigh and he fired the engine's flare, and the shop filled with rumble, smoke, and fresh air. But I heard him explain as he roared out of sight, Merry Christmas to Fink's Fab Shop. Keep building us right. So I hope you guys like that. And from my family to yours, have a Merry Christmas, guys, and a Happy New Year. And I'll be posting little stuff here and there, and hopefully in between family gatherings and all that good stuff, I'll be out here getting some stuff done and sharing it with you guys. I appreciate everything that you guys have done for the channel, and I ask that you continue to help it grow. Like, share, comment, subscribe, or Scooter's gonna get ya!